What's up, bud? This is Fly High FPV. Do you know where I'm at? I am at Sloss Furnaces in Birmingham, Alabama, and we are getting ready for the Sloss Drone Derby. We're super stoked. Go out to dearborndroneco.com to get your tickets. It's going to be April 12th and 13th in Birmingham, Alabama. It's going to be ridiculous. We got it for 2 days this year. 2 days and overnight camping. There's going to be 3 freestyle flight lines. There's going to be racing on site. There's going to be a MultiGP pro spec class race with 7-inch quads. They're doing everything we can do in one place in 2 days, and I can't wait to see it all. It's going to be nuts. Check this out. This is the whoop house. This whole hangar with all this machinery, furnaces, and everything in it. Now, it hasn't been set up yet. White Fox is going to work his magic and turn this thing into a day-glow hallucinogenic experience that you won't want to miss. So you'll have to come out and see it. They open up at dark, and we'll be running all night long. Can't wait. Yeah, and then let's see, across the way over here you can see the viaduct. Underneath the viaduct we're gonna have all sorts of vendors and food trucks and stuff like that set up so you can get food while you're here on site. Back here with the yellow awning, that's our bathhouse, restrooms and sinks and stuff like that. So get you cleaned up. Over here across the way in the grass you can see big green field, and that's where camping is going to be set up on site. And then a far corner back that way is where the race course is going to be, and they're going to be big 7-inch gates. I think they're 10-foot gates. I don't know exactly. I'm still a noob at racing. I'm a freestyle guy, but they're going to be huge gates, and it's going to be open. So if you've never flown a race gate before and you want to get your hand at it, it'll be a really, really good opportunity to do that. We've got a new MultiGP chapter in Alabama, the North Alabama Rotocross, and they are sanctioning the event and getting things started here in Alabama for drone racing again. There was a scene here a long time ago and it all kind of dried up, and we're just getting to see it resurrected now. So I'm really excited to see that kick off. Nutso freestyle though. This place is humongous, and there are 2 main freestyle flight lines plus the whoop house. This main one is where we'll have the vast majority of the flying going on, but then on Sunday we're going to kick over for FlyTribe and host the freestyle contest here in this spot. And when that kicks off, we're going to move all the open freestyle over to the secondary freestyle flight line, which is kind of a mirror of this. On the other side, it's got the same big main features, but there's like a little statue garden, and it's pretty dope too. I'm gonna walk in that direction so I can show you in a minute, but it's a big place. A lot of stuff here to check out, so it'll take me a minute. But yeah, the main freestyle flight line will be shutting down for this event, and that event is the FlyTribe freestyle contest. I don't know if you've heard about this yet, but it is crazy exciting to me. They are doing 5 freestyle contests across the country, all over the country, starting here in Birmingham, Alabama at Sloss Drone Derby on April 12th and 13th, and then continuing to many other places around like Beast of the East and the Bay Area in California for Cinco de Mayo. Lots and lots and lots of freestyle opportunities though. And if you go to one of these contests, you enter, you have a chance to win. The top 2 positions here in Birmingham are going to get plane tickets and a hotel to stay at in Oregon at the Northwest FPV Park. That is so awesome. It's a prize that I would love to win because I want to go out there and see that park too. I've been seeing it on the internet and I want to go get a piece of it myself. But yes, so you win tickets and a chance to compete in the finals. The finals will be the I guess this fall at Northwest Oregon's FPV park, and the winners there have a chance to win $10,000, $5,000, or $3,500 cash for the top 3 positions of the finalists. And I'm really, really excited about that because I've been flying FPV freestyle for a long time, and I have never seen cash prizes like this in the freestyle FPV community. So I got to shout out to FlyTribe. Mad props for making this happen. Thank you for supporting us and continuing to support the community as you have, because it hasn't gone unnoticed, and we really do appreciate you. But now let me show you flight line 2. So this is it. We've got these cool sculptures in the garden, and then it's almost identical of what we had on the other side, with the big tanks and the furnace over here, and then the hangar going out that way. But we got all these cool sculptures too. Look at this skeleton guy. So fun places to fly. Lots of cool pilots coming out. And yeah, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I didn't think they'd let us do it again, but they are. Year number 2, Sloss Drone Derby, and we're making it bigger and better this year. We're trying to get the Southern Museum of Flight to come out and set up simulators so you can come out and practice on like a 65-inch TV if you've never flown drones before. Trying to be real spectator friendly with TVs and monitors at the flight lines, so you can watch and see what people are doing from that first person perspective. Oh shit. But yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. April 12th and 13th. Come out, historic Sloss furnaces, and let's go. Go to dearborndroneco.com to get your tickets. They're actually on sale right now for Valentine's week. Lowest price you'll ever get them. dearborndroneco.com. Come on out. See you soon.